If the fear of death has sound, it is that man's scream. He's screaming like he's so scared to death. The guy filming is asking the right question. How the fuck did this happen? This is actually happened in Toronto, Canada. That was the spotter and holding a cable guide for the unit being lifted. When the unit got lifted, the guide cable caught his one arm. The other arm had the radio, but he dropped it. The crane operator was doing a blind lead, which is not uncommon. And it wasn't until the unit came into the operator's sight line that he realized what happened and lowered the guy. The guy suffered broken arm at the end,